Welcome to Learn AI. If you want to make money online using AI in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use AI tools to create content, automate work, and earn passive income. Let's dive in. The AI revolution is here, and smart people are using it to make money. AI can help you create content in minutes, automate online businesses, build passive income streams. And the best part, you don't need any special skills to get started. Here are the top AI tools to help you earn online. 1. ChatGPT, write blog posts, product descriptions, and ebooks. 2. Midjourney and DALL-E, create and sell AI-generated art. 3. Canva AI, design logos, social media posts, and ads. 4. Pictory AI, turn text into engaging videos. 5. Runway ML, generate AI-powered special effects. You can use these tools to create services or products and start earning today. Now let's explore 3 simple ways to make money online with AI. 1. Freelancing with AI. Use AI to write, design, or edit videos and sell your services on Fiverr and Upwork. 2. AI YouTube channel. Create AI-generated videos with tools like HeyGen and Pictory AI and monetize through YouTube ads. 3. Selling AI digital products. Use AI to create ebooks, stock images, or print-on-demand designs and sell them on Etsy and Gumroad. Let's see AI in action. I'll show you how to. Use ChatGPT to generate a blog post in seconds. Design a thumbnail with Canva AI. Turn your blog into a YouTube video using Pictory AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money with AI. AI is changing the game, and those who start now will have the biggest advantage. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Learn AI, and comment below on which AI tool you want me to review next. See you in the next video.